Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. So finally I am going to be using these Bear Chunky Charms that I got from Shein a while back. I still have a lot of chunky charms that I want to use, so you guys will probably be seeing those in the next few videos. So I have these Macart Pump Ups in Stiletto, full cover nails. I already sized them out. It's just easier for me to do that off camera. And then I have 5 different colors, and then I have all these Model 1s gel polishes. I tried to match the color as best as I could. They're not going to match exact, but that's perfectly fine with me. I'll just show you guys the colors really quickly. So the green is number A13. The red pink one is going to be A15. The blue one is going to be A6. The purple is going to be A32. And the orange is going to be A31. So like I said, they will not match perfectly exactly, but I just wanted to find the colors that worked best with the color of the bears. So like I said, we're doing full cover nails, which means I have a peel off base coat on, and I'm going to be using base coat to apply them. I've been doing this for my past couple videos here and there, and it's like the easiest nails you guys can ever do. So I've been using these up a lot, so I'm glad I'm getting my money's worth, and I really like the style of these. I really want some extra long like square ones, full covers, so maybe I'll look for some of those on Amazon. Please excuse this is chrome powder from one of my last videos, and I just haven't cleaned my mat yet, but I'm just going to remove the shine with a arbor band on my mandrel bit. So you guys saw that I reshaped the sides a little bit. By the way, my burn is getting better. It doesn't really hurt, honestly, but it just looks horrible. I hope it doesn't leave too bad of a scar. And my other nail, by the way, just ignore that. It hurts actually more than my burn. It started bleeding again last night randomly. So after top coating, I did apply one bear off camera just to do it and just see how it worked, and I love how it looks. It's so cute. It blends really well with the color that I chose for the orange at least. So now let's go ahead and do the rest. I am just going to use this thick rhinestone gel. This is the one that I use. Super sticky, guys. Just so you guys know. Eventually when I run out of this, I will be getting a new one, but I just take a brush and I get a good size amount on it, and then we're just going to put it on top, and you just want to make sure that you put enough so that the charm will stick, obviously, but not too much that it spills out the sides. At least that's what I'm trying to go for. I don't want it to be so thick on the sides of the bear when I push it down. So I put a little, looks like a little mountain, and I'm gonna take the purple bear and I'm gonna put it on top. Oh, that's so cute. Okay. And I have my little LED light right here. You guys can't see it because it's not in frame, but I have it. You guys see that little spillage on the side? It's okay, I'm gonna take these off after anyways, but I'm trying to cure the sides a little bit, and then I'm going to pop it back into my big light so that I can cure all the way. Thankfully these are pretty translucent, the bears, and I feel like they will cure very well in a regular lamp, that the LED light will penetrate through that translucent bear. Alright guys, this is what the nails look like. I think they're so cute. I have been wanting to use these charms for a while, and yes, they're very bulky. Like, just like doing this, it feels kind of weird. They feel bulky because they are. I mean, they're chunky charms, chunky charms are going to feel bulky, but I just think that they look so cute against the colors. I think I picked out pretty good matches. I could have picked a red one for this one, but I think the pink looks pretty good. It actually looks more red on the bear with the pink in the background. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you guys in my next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.